Hello world, hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Take a look at this when I get home. Pile of paper towel, toilet paper, a lot. Thank you everyone for watching. This is what we got for the drive-through food. My drive-through food here. Let's see the drive-through food: steak and chicken tender. Chicken tender and steak and gravy and the pecan pie. See, let's eat.
That'll last a few days, huh?
Dinner for today.
Okay, I know what thing I need. There we go.
Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. Here is the dinner for tonight. No cooking. Let's eat, everyone. Thank you for watching.